You want to tear a cloth using an object. Let's start by creating the cloth. You add a plane, go into edit mode and subdivide it. You can use like 40 subdivisions. And then we want to select just the edges. So we can shift and alternate select it. Okay. Now, under your data, you want to create a new vertex group. You can name this out and then assign the weight. Okay, so now we want to create the object that is going to tear through the cloth. We can create a sphere. And move this up. So let's keyframe the location. All right. And then we want to turn on, you can shade this smooth. And want to add collision to it. And then for the cloth, we want to add the cloth physics. You play it, the cloth drops, so we want to pin that. Pin the group under shape. Pin that group that we created. All right. So we want the cloth to deform a bit before it tears through. So here where we have this deformation, let's play this a bit. Want it to start tearing from around there. Okay. You can go into the modifiers of the cloth, select this arrow and save as shape key. All right, now so we select this, go into the data. You see it created a new shape key here, cloth, and increase the value. Now we'll line this up. Insert a keyframe for this value. Move it back, take the value to 0 and select this to animate it again. Now you want to line it up to where the ball makes contact with the cloth. All right, so that's good. Now select the basis under shape keys and go into edit mode. So you can select out and then we can create a new vertex group or still cut on this existing one. So let's create a new one. And then switch to your knife tool. Now we can just draw the tears. Press enter and vertex and rip vertices. So you want to do this one by one, unless if you just draw everything and try to rip vertices, you'll get an error. So for the next tier, you draw that. You can press V to create the cut. Right? So we can draw another one here. Create a straight one to cut across. Either press V or come to your vertex and press rip vertices. Okay, so you can add some extra tiers just maybe randomly at the side. Maybe let's say something here. You can just rip this area. Okay. Now we'll go back to our object mode. We have one of these vertices not complying. Right, so we have this space there that was giving us an error. So you just delete it. And then you can bridge this, pressing F to fill that. Okay, so if you encounter any error, that's what you can do. You can just come here to your shape key, select the cloth on that is deformed, and go into edit mode. And any error you see like that, you can delete that and fill it up. Okay, so back to our cloth simulation. Now we want to add a cloth simulation to this cloth. Physics, cloth, and you see that the cloth just drops down. So we want to pin those vertex groups again. Pin group out. All right. We don't want the simulation to start immediately. So we'll go under our catch and change this to, let's change this to something like from frame 18. Okay. All right. So you see it stays in the normal position, then displaces when the ball touches the cloth and then tears through. So we can have that expansion of the cloth for a rip through. So now that you have that, you can go ahead and bake your simulation. So let's just bake to frame 70. Bake all dynamics. Alright, so you have it play smoothly. The ball goes down, deforms the cloth before the tear starts. Perfect. So that's how you can create cloth tearing animations in Blender. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.